So welcome to another episode of LBF Outdoors. It's a really cold morning, but I'm going ice fishing, so I'm not going to complain. I'm going to a lake that you may or may not have seen me at before. I did a video last winter, fished for lake trout, and we're going back there today. We're targeting multi-species, so potentially lake trout, but we're also targeting pike, perch, and maybe even ciscos. So we'll see you on the lake. They're stacked up down there though, like they're just a little shallower than I thought they would be. Big enough to keep them this year? Are we gonna keep them anyways today?
We get a bigger.
Yeah. Yeah, another one. There's just tons of them down there. I mean, it's better than like where they're all like 3 inches. Yeah, so it's 28 feet right here. Basically, as soon as I can get it to the bottom, just like that. As soon as I can get it to the bottom, they hit. And that's the average size. That's the smallest one of the day. Yeah, like they're all, well, that's a little bit better, but up, that's fine. What? Just another one of these guys. This seems to be the average size today. So overall, I was hoping for a little bit more today. Last year we were successful with both pike and lake trout at that lake. Yeah, so we basically did everything. We set tip-ups out for pike as soon as we got there in a variety of depths ranging from, 5 feet to 20 feet, so all the possible depths that the pike could really be in. And then we jigged for perch, we jigged for lake trout, we jigged for pike, but nothing else was really happening other than there was a big school of perch in in about 30 feet that seemed to be consistently there. They were really suspended today in that lake, I guess, because the water's so clear there. Fish tend to suspend more in clear water sometimes, and those fish would come up. They'd be in 30 feet and they'd come up all the way to 10 feet sometimes. But yeah, so in the evening, the last fishing we did was for lake trout. My dad missed one. We didn't manage to land any, unfortunately. But next weekend, I'm going to my cottage fishing for lake trout there. I'm going to fish hardcore because I really haven't caught any huge fish yet this winter. And I'd really like a nice big lake trout or walleye, pike, anything really. So thanks for watching the video. Not the most exciting one, but I learned something from it today. And I hope maybe you guys did too.